There's something special about the pistachios grown in the foothills of Mount Etna, such as their quality that the green gold of Bronte has been granted government protection. A luxurious serve for those with a sweet tooth. Prepare the spiced pistachio garnish. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. Cream will make this cocktail rich and indulgent. Cocchi Americano is an atomized wine made with aromatic herbs and spiced infusions. Nonino Grappa is obtained from the fresh and soft pomace of white and red grapes, imparting a crisp, fragrant flavor. Serra Vinci produces a bright and green pistachio liqueur that brings its distinctive nutty flavor to the forefront. Fill the cocktail shaker half full with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Pour. Add the spiced pistachio on top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.